哥们 decentralized AI is the 新的活的叙事。Sam Altman being fired and then rehired at OpenAI has 点燃了 AI 币的牛市。但 AI 币怎么选择？在这个视频当中，我会告诉你 crypto 和 AI 的5个市场领域 and which sectors I am bullish on and I am buying。那么第一个 AI 币领域就是 AI Layer 1。This sector, 哥们 has a clear market leader， 叫做 Bittensor。Ticker TAO。那么我以$60买了 TAO， 然后我当时在我 Discord 里面发了一个消息说，这是最好的 AI 币，没有之一，这是我最喜欢的 AI 币，这是几个月之前，然后我买了。那么现在价格已经降到$300了，哥们，5倍了，涨了5倍了，特别给力，是不是？关键是你为什么没买呢，哥们？我都在我 Discord 的 VIP 圈发了，你为什么没有看？为什么没有买？你是不是没有担当 ？If you're not in the VIP Discord 圈，哥们，下面有链接，赶紧加入一下 ，OK？Now anyway， 我现在还觉得这是最好的 AI 币 ，OK？ 没有之一，所以我在这里给你解释一下 Bittensor TAO 到底是什么东东。So 听听哥们 ，this is the elevator pitch for TAO。TAO is the Bitcoin of AI 的比特币。Tell me more。The total supply of TAO is 21 million. TAO 有相似的 tokenomics 和比特币特别相似，比如说每4年有减半。And 听听哥们 it uses the new proof of intelligence. Proof of intelligence. POI. 智能证明。Very sexy. Now, the market cap of Bittensor is currently already $1.6 billion. That's in the top 50 coins on CoinGecko. So, the market is already valuing Bittensor as the #1 best AI 币。那么 Bittensor 就是一个区块链，然后大家可以在 Bittensor 链上建自己的 AI APP， 他们已经有好几个 ChatGPT APP，OK， 就 chatbot 类似于 ChatGPT， 已经有好几个，然后都非常好用。虽然没有 ChatGPT 那么好用，但是还是挺好用的。They already have image generation apps. Like Midjourney, and they have 股票预测市场, so they have prediction markets for the Bitcoin price and stock prices. And they already have decentralized storage subnets, decentralized GPU storage. And all of this is made on Bittensor. How? 怎么可能呢？问你一个问题，哥们，世界上最大的计算网络是什么呢？ What is the largest computational network in the world? Is it OpenAI? Is it Microsoft? Google? No. It's Bitcoin, 哥们。所以 Bittensor 的目标就是采用比特币相同的挖矿模型来用于 AI。全世界的人都可以接入 Bittensor， 不管你在哪里，你都可以连上 Bittensor and use your compute to mine and validate the Bittensor network。挖掘 TAO 币，然后最好的 AI 会得到更多的 TAO。我知道你在想什么，哥们，你在想，单给一个 Bittensor 不可能和 OpenAI 竞争吧？你怎么能比呢？和这些 Google、Facebook、Microsoft， 他们特别有钱 ，AI 做 AI 特别贵，你怎么能比呢？你怎么能竞争呢 ？Listen， 哥们 ，decentralization 去中心化就是自由 ，and 自由 freedom always wins， 哥们，听听。比特币已经证明了这一点 ，OK？ 一个去中心化的计算网络已经成为世界上最大的。It's already happened， 哥们。Bitcoin is the biggest。Okay, so why can't it happen with AI? 为什么 AI 不能这么做呢？可以的。Okay, so that's a brief overview of the technology, 哥们 but the technology is not the most bullish part. No, 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 no. 去中心化 AI 这个叙事才是最看重的。哥们 investors often talk about the TAM, T-A-M. This stands for Total Addressable Market. And the bigger, the better. So what is the TAM of AI? Trillions, gazillions, okay? It's the future of technology. It's trillions and trillions of TAM. So the market is huge. Great. 那么咱们男人都不希望 Big Tech 控制 AI， 因为咱们男人大部分的投资家都是男人啊，然后咱们男人比较希望控制 we want control over our technology. Bitcoin fights central banks and fights governments, and Bittensor fights Big Tech. 打破中心化 为自由奋斗。哥们 This is bullish. This gives people a purpose, okay? It makes us feel good. And 哥们，我最喜欢投资的就是投资 cults. 新洋币是最好的币，哥们。Why? Because 信徒会一直买入，从不卖出。Bullish. That's so bullish for the price. Because that's the real reason we're all here, because the price goes up and we make B. 那么其他的 AI Layer 1 B 就是 AIOZ and AGRS, the currency of TAO, TAU. 我也买了这两个已经差不多给我10倍了啊。and 目前这些其他的 AI Layer 1 B 都是空气币 ，complete vaporware。他们就是因为炒币难，想买 TAO 的竞争对手，想买类似于 TAO 的其他的币。更便宜的币，所以他们上涨了。那么我还在寻找更多的 AI Layer 1项目，所以如果你认识我，如果你知道一些币的话，推荐给我评论 or better join my Discord, join VIP 群 and 跟我聊天。第二个 AI 币领域就是 GPU 租赁，这里的市场领导者就是 RNDR。You can see on the AI category on CoinGecko, it's number 2, 1.3 billion. Market cap. And 这是一个去中心化的 GPU 网络，你可以把你的 GPU 贡献给网络，然后也有很多小币、很多其他的币正在做这个事情。TAO Bittensor 也有自己的 subnet 正在做这个。那么我没有 GPU 租赁币，为什么呢？因为我不是特别看好，因为它有能衡量的价值。Okay, you can measure how many GPUs are in the network, and then you can measure what the price, what the value should be. And that is bearish for me in crypto. 我寻找的是有投机价值，而不是有可衡量价值。比如说 AI Layer 1 B 有投机价值，为什么呢？因为 they have no metrics. There's nothing to measure the real value. It's a 梦想. And so the TAM is trillions potentially. So there's nothing that holds you back, that you can go to crazy valuations, okay? Just like blockchain 区块链 Layer 1, like Cardano, ADA. Remember, 哥们 ADA, Cardano, 它是一个区块链，它啥都没有，产品都没有，然后它在上一个牛市或者上一个，it had a market capitalization of $90 billion. Zero 内容 zero product, nothing. 它啥都没有。But it went so high because it was a dream. 它有一个梦想，然后你没有办法做分析，没有数据可以说，oh, this is overvalued or undervalued. 没有办法做这些分析 because 啥都没有 bullish 看涨。So GPUs have a bit too much numbers, measurable things for me. So I don't like it. I prefer the AI Layer 1 B. 第三个 AI B 领域就是 Depin, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. 那么这就是为 AI 提供的存储服务。那么市场领导者就是 Filecoin and Arweave， 然后同样有特别多的其他的小币、别的币正在做这个 decentralized storage， 比如说 AIOZ， 然后 TAO Bittensor 也有一个 subnet 专门在做这个。第四个就是 AI agents， 那么这里的市场领导者就是 Olas， 应该是 Olas， because they have a fully diluted value of 2 billion， 特别贵。但是 their market cap is only 200 million. And what they do is they design AI agents, which are apps that help you with work tasks, help you save time, like chatbots like ChatGPT. 然后 TAO Bittensor 也有一个 subnet 专门在做这个。As you may have noticed, 哥们 TAO subnets 正在开发所有的这些 AIB 领域 ，OK？ 这个就像区块链币，比如说Layer 1s like Solana, Polygon, AVAX, they all have more value than the applications built on top of them. So you have DeFi B, DEXs, all built on top of Solana, Polygon, and the value accrues to the Layer 1, okay? 比如说 Ethereum, B Uniswap 更有价值 okay? Because Ethereum is the base layer. So the value goes to the base layer. This is called the fat protocol thesis in crypto. And it just means the most value goes to the layer 1, where everything is built on top of. So AI Layer 1 B, 比如说 Bittensor, they will build chatbots, image generation apps, decentralized storage, everything will be built on top of the base layer, so the base layer will get the most value. 正因为这个，我只买 AI Layer 1 币，不买别的，不看别的，不 care 别的，除了第5个就是 AI meme coins，AI meme 币。目前我只知道2个 AI meme 币，它们都基于 TAO，because TAO 是 AI 币中唯一有真正价值的项目，所以 all the meme coins are related to TAO at the moment. But I only know 2. And the first one is kizuna。kizuna 是用了 TAO 的 chatbot 做了一个 meme 币，但是后来他们转向了，他们现在在做真正的产品在 Bittensor 上面，所以我不喜欢。I only want a pure 纯粹的 meme 币。没有任何虚荣心的，我不要。第2个是 taonu, very small, very risky meme coin. This is not financial advice going. Meme coins are really just gambling coins. You just put a bit of play money in them. 它是第1个 TAO 狗币，它在 ETH 上 ，Kizuna 也在 ETH 上，因为现在 Bittensor 还没有 smart contracts， 所以你不能发币在 Bittensor 上面，所以这些都在 Ethereum 上。然后它市价特别低，市价是低于1 million. Okay, below 1 million, so it's very, very high risk gamble, just a gamble really. 但是你可以在这里看流动性被锁定。When you're buying shit coins, 垃圾币 and meme coins, 哥们 you want to see the liquidity locked. So in this case, liquidity is locked for 104 years. And that means the developer, 那个创始人，他不能跑路了，他不能 rug. The dev can't rug because 流动性被锁定了。So that's what you want to see when you buy these coins. And 这个目前是第1个唯一的 TAO meme 狗币 ，so 我买了。那么目前 Bittensor 上没有 smart contracts，OK，、没有这个 functionality， 但是以后 Bittensor 会有，他们正在开发。So in the future， 我特别期望，我特别渴望在 Bittensor 上面可以买入，可以炒币，可以买很多垃圾币、shit coins、meme 币。We can do all of the gambling and the speculation on Bittensor. Now, as you can tell, 哥们。I'm pretty bullish on TAO Bittensor. It's actually my biggest position in my portfolio outside of Ethereum at the moment because I think this thing still has a lot of upside. I think it can do 10, 20x. My thinking on AI Layer 1 Bs, 他们就是下一个牛市的区块链 alternative Layer 1s. 比如说 Solana, Polygon, Matic, Phantom, all of these Layer 1s last cycle, they went to high valuations like 30 billion. 20 billion, 50 billion. So I think AI Layer 1s 可以这样做到的，可以做到这种市价的 okay? Which means TAO is 1.6 billion right now. A 10x would be 16 billion. Perfectly possible. Perfectly. I think 10, 20x is perfectly possible in the next bull run. So I think there's still a lot of upside. Not financial advice, it's all speculation, okay? It could go to zero, who knows? But I still think there's a lot of upside, so that's why I'm not selling, I'm actually still buying Bittensor and other AI Layer 1 Bs. 那么怎么买TAO呢？目前是在 BitGet 和 MEX 购买。然后如果你要买很多的话 if you want to buy 6 figures, probably you should go to MEX because that's where the most of the liquidity is on MEXC MEX. 下面有链接，但以后应该会在更大的交易所上市，比如说 Binance, Coinbase 等等。那么如果你要加入好给力交易券的话，你要用我的 BitGet 优惠链接，下面有，然后注册 BitGet and 进入至少666美元，666美元，你就可以加入 VIP 圈。在里面点一个赞，关一个注，评一个论，拜拜。